was something to get up here and do this, so all of you folks should be really proud of these kids. They're doing a great job. Okay, I'm going to make some introductions. Back on drums, this is Ruby. Ruby, this is your first show with us. Over here is Megan. She's going to sing. She's got a special surprise later, too. Over here, Ashley on guitar. And on vocals and guitar, Lucia. Give it up for Fridge.
Yeah!
Fridge.
I walk alone.